Hi everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to unbox this incredible Goldenmaple brush set. Goldenmaple has been a family-owned fine art brush manufacturer since 1990, dedicated to providing artists with the perfect tools to express their vision. They've grown into one of the top 3 paintbrush brands on Amazon US, trusted by artists all around the world for their quality and performance. Let's dive into the brushes. First, we have a palette knife, perfect for creating texture. Next, 2 flat brushes, each 1 inch wide, great for covering large areas. Then, a round size 16 brush for smooth strokes. Followed by 3 size 14 flat brushes with various tips to help you achieve different effects. We also have a size 12 round brush for precise details. In this set, you'll find 3 size 10 brushes, 1 round and 2 flat, each with unique shapes to give you full control over your artwork. There are also 4 different size 8 brushes for added versatility. And 2 size 6 flat brushes for those fine details. The set continues with 5 size 4 brushes and wraps up with 2 size 2 brushes, 1 round and 1 flat, and a tiny size 1 round brush for delicate, intricate work. Goldenmaple's brushes stand out for their good water content, strong elasticity, and resistance to splitting and hair loss, which makes them a favorite among artists. Remember to clean your brushes after each use, rinse them with water or the appropriate solvent depending on the paint, reshape the bristles, and rinse until the water runs clear. Be sure to check out Goldenmaple's social media for pigment promotions, giveaways, and tips on how to care for your brushes. Follow them on Instagram at solidmammography38185 and on YouTube at Goldenmaple. Our goal is to introduce more people to these amazing tools and help you recommend them to your fans. Don't forget to tag #Goldenmaple at the end of your post or video to show your support.